Hey there viewers, and welcome back to the Ray of All Trades channel. Today we're going to be working on a faucet that's running slow. It's a Delta version. Looks like the model number is 19963Z SSSD-DST. That's the full model of it. And internally the screen is stopped up, and this is how I take it apart. There is a detent on there. Just squeeze it, detent, unscrew it. It should be finger tight at the most. Gonna make sure that I hold onto the hose end and wrap it into a very loose loop just so that it doesn't get pulled up into the faucet itself. Inside the faucet, I'm looking for that piece of plastic that's sticking out. It is going to be removed with a pair of hemostats. I'll reach in, or a pair of needle nose pliers, anything like that. Reach in, grab it, pull it out, and it shouldn't be too tight in there, but you can see as I pull it out, it actually came flying out, and luckily it just landed on the edge of my hand. So I'll try to get focused in on it, but there's a bunch of debris stuck up in that screen right there. Inside the faucet itself, there is a little bit of debris, and I'm just going to gently turn on the faucet and just rinse it out. That looks pretty clean. Okay, you can see the screen. I can't zoom you guys in any closer, but there's debris all on top of this screen. I'm going to use compressed air to blow it off of there. I'm going to put the particles facing down to the paper, and I have compressed air. You can use canned air like you clean a keyboard with. I'm just going to gently blow air across it. Alright, that's much cleaner. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying. There was a bunch of particles on here that are, a lot of them are on the piece of paper right now, but I can see through it really well, both sides. That's cleaned up. So let's go inside and reinstall it and see if we get our water pressure back. Grab the hemostats or the needle nose pliers and push that filter back in, the screen filter, and the plastic tip will face up. Grab the hose, make sure that you don't lose control of it, stuff the excess back up into the handle, and tighten it up gently with your fingers, finger tight. If it doesn't center up square, you may have to rotate it and then tighten it up. Check your water pressure. Much difference between before and after. That little bit of debris was enough to cause that kind of difference in pressure. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you guys learned anything, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content.